In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use a timeline column in Monday.com. To get started, open your Monday.com board where you want to track your tasks or projects. This can be any board you're currently using as long as it's the one where you want to visualize how long something will take. The timeline column is especially useful when you need to see a clear start date and end date for a task, project phase, or any item that has a duration. Once your board is open, look across the top of your columns and find the plus icon. This is the option you'll use to add a new column to your board. Click that plus icon to open the column menu. From there, you'll be able to browse or search for different column types depending on what kind of information you want to add. In the search field, type timeline. This helps you quickly locate the exact column you need without scrolling through the full list of options. When you see the timeline column appear in the results, click it to add it to your board. After you do that, the new column will appear alongside your existing columns. Next, go to the timeline cell for the specific task or item you want to update. Click inside that cell to open the date selection tool. This is where you'll define the full time span for that task. First, choose the start date, which marks when the work begins. Then select the end date, which shows when the work is expected to finish. Once both dates are selected, Monday.com will automatically display the timeline as a visual range inside the column. This makes it much easier to understand duration at a glance. Instead of only seeing a single due date, you can now track the full length of time assigned to that task or project. That's especially helpful for planning, monitoring progress, and making sure timelines are realistic. You can repeat the same process for other items on your board, so each one has its own visible date range. As you continue updating timelines, your board becomes a clearer project management tool, helping you stay organized and keeping everyone aligned on schedules. Use the timeline to track task or project duration whenever you need a simple visual way to manage start and end dates directly inside your Monday.com board.